So, so it's a really strange time to be in the event business. You used to just need a nice banquet hall, maybe a listing in the yellow pages. Now you're fighting this two-front war, one for the human eye and one for the machine brain.
It's frantic. And looking at this service breakdown from Samyuk Online, I mean, they've got 2 decades of experience in this niche.
Mm.
They make it really clear that the old post and pray method it's dead.
Post and pray, I like that.
Their whole argument is that if a venue isn't visible on search and on maps and on social, you're not just invisible, you are actively handing bookings to your competition.
And that's really the mission for this deep dive, isn't it? We're not just looking at old school keywords like banquet hall near me.
Uh,
We're digging into Samyak's strategy for what they call AI SEO and LLM SEO, because frankly, the way people are looking for a wedding venue now is completely broken the old Google model.
it really has. The source material points to this massive shift in user intent. We've moved from these static searches to conversational queries.
Right. People aren't just typing banquet hall Delhi anymore. Not at all.
Not anymore.
They're asking their phones, what's the best wedding venue in Delhi for 500 guests that has a vegan menu and good parking?
Exactly. And that right there, that's AI SEO. It's optimizing for that really specific long-tail intent.
Mm.
But Samyak goes a step further with LLM SEO.
Okay, so what's the difference there?
This is about optimizing for the large language models themselves, for ChatGPT, for Google's AI overviews.
Ah, this is the most fascinating part for me. So you're not just trying to rank on a list of 10 blue links. You're trying to be the single answer the AI spits out.
You're trying to be the recommendation. And to do that, the AI has to actually understand what your venue is. I mean, on a deep data
Well,
level.
it gets us to semantic SEO.
That's the one. It's not enough to just have the word wedding on your homepage 50 times.
Yeah.
You need what's called schema markup, an entity-based optimization.
Which is basically just labeling your data so the robot gets the context right. It's like telling the search engine, hey, this isn't just a building. It's an entity with attributes like outdoor seating, AV capabilities, and valet parking.
Precisely. You're building a digital resume that the AI can read almost
Instantly.
instantly. And if
Got
you
it.
don't have that schema, the AI just skips you. It's not confident enough in what you are to recommend you.
But here's the catch, and Samyak is very clear about this in the source. You can have the smartest code in the world, but if your site takes 10 seconds to load,
You're toast.
you're toast.
That's the technical SEO pillar. It's the unglamorous plumbing that has to work. There's a testimonial in the source from a client, Jamie Knockhack from the USA,
Mhm.
and he specifically says that Samyak handled the long, tedious work to get their site speeds into the green zone.
I saw that too. It's so easy to overlook, but site speed is a huge trust signal. For the user, of course, but also for the AI.
Absolutely. The AI sees a slow site, it assumes a bad user experience, and it'll just downgrade the recommendation right away.
So you have the technical foundation, the speed, the schema, but then you get to the human element. Once the AI gets them to your digital front door, what makes them actually book?
Visuals and reputation. You can't fake a vibe.
Hmm.
The source stresses using social media not just for ads, but as proof. Show real photos of real events, real decor.
And respond to the reviews. That's the other part.
Yes. Reputation management is that final validation layer. If the AI recommends you, but the first thing a human sees is a nasty one-star review you never replied to.
The conversion is lost, gone. It's like a triad then, really. You need the technical health so the AI can find you, the semantic context so the AI understands you.
And the visuals and reviews so the human trusts you.
That feels like the big takeaway.
It is. We're moving to a world where the search engine is a curator, not just a list maker.
Which I think leaves us with a pretty provocative thought to wrap up on. As these search tools become more like our conversation partners, are businesses optimizing for the people who will eventually walk through their doors? Or are they now optimizing for the machines that decide who gets invited in the first place?
The gatekeepers are changing, and the keys are made of code.
Thanks for listening to this deep dive. We'll catch you on the next one.